You're a bystander. What do you think about the thunderstorm?
Well, I think it would be great to be in a swimming pool with snow.
A swimming pool with snow?
That's right.
You know what I did the year that you were born?
What?
Before you were born and before I knew that you were inside my tummy, I was in Denver and it was snowing, and I went to the roof of the hotel and I got into the jacuzzi, and I was cold and hot at the same time, and it was lots of fun. So that's a swimming pool in the snow. But you want a swimming pool with snow instead of water?
Yeah.
Wow! That's a great idea. What about you, little baby?
Mama.
She just has got to shake her head and think about it. Yep.
Shake your head today. Shake your head, shake your head.
Did you shake your head? She's confused about all this snowstorm. Yep. Snow, sunstorm. Bye.